Are you broke and blue? Looking for something to chew? Well, you better come through. Krakowski's got some food for you.
Hello, my name is Chefi Krakowski, and welcome to Chefi Krakowski's Kitchen, the most legit show on YouTube. Even more legit than that British baller, Gordon Ramsay. So, I'm going to get this lousy pepino and turn it into something lit. What you're going to need is this peeler thingy thing, and then a knife that cut different, because you need to be good. Then you're going to get some tajin from your local mi pueblo, and then some sal, and then you're going to get some secret ingredients that I will show later. Alright, so people want to have the stupid skin on their pepino. They just gotta start peeling that shit nice and good. Going like, and then I'm gonna save you the time of doing this, but it takes a long time. It's hard work to get all that. So now that we got out most of the skin off, this is something that you do in a real life situation. I'm gonna cut just the tip off, like juice. Just get a nice tip. Now that you have this is where cutting begins. And you don't really have to be accurate with your cuts. I see a lot of people on TV. They always be like super precise and all that shit. It don't matter. It's just some gosh dang pepino. It's not gonna really matter. I am supposed to be professional, but look at you. You think you're professional in your living house? During quarantine, I don't think you're gonna be showing any restaurant cooking skills anytime soon. So this is all you can do. You know, just thin or thick doesn't matter. Just make it however you want. Now we got our slices. We're going to throw it into your bowl. Because what we're making, don't throw the tips in. Don't want those. And we're going to be making a salad anyway. It's some nice, healthy snack. Yeah, it's keto friendly and all that. Do it on any diet. It's like 15 calories. So, got your shun. Now we're going to go outside and show you how to get the secret ingredient. So here at Chefi Krakowski's Kitchen, we want the freshest ingredients. So you want to go to your local Japanese suicide forest, and then you can either go to the trouble of picking shun, or you can just look at the floor, and there's plenty of lemons anywhere you can desire. And you want to pick 2, maybe 3 just in case, because I know your aunt is fat, so you don't have a lot. Now that you got your lemons, you just want to chop them up in half. Like a stomach cut, amputating their bottom part of the bottom. And seeds, it don't really matter whether they're in there, but if you're picky, you can just like take this out. So what you want to do, you want to juice that nice stuff all over your fingers. Doesn't really matter because so after you get a good amount or whatever the heck you think is nice, you know, you use salty lemonies in here. You want to get your tajin. This is the good shun. I went all the way across the border and back. Just to get it. So you know it's good. So we just want to spread an even amount of that shun in there. It doesn't really matter, just, just as much as you can, if you're fat and or you're skinny a little bit. I am very skinny, so we're gonna put a lot in there. And what you're gonna do is you gotta get your utensil. More like a fork or something. Gotta mix that shun in. Make sure it's on each and every individual cucumber, because you don't want to eat one that doesn't have it. I mean, what's wrong with you? You also want to make sure you get all the lemon juice and all that. Evenly mixed. Spread around. This might take a while depending on how many. Alright, sometimes we Mexicans struggle with mustaches, common thing. You might lose it every now and then. But it goes back. So, as I was saying, we continue with this shun until it's nice, evenly spread and shun. If you try to eat it right now, it might taste a little good, we're sorry. But if you're salty or you get angry believing the game for everything, you want to get some salt, just that extra bit of flavor. We also want to Really mix in that texture. Nice and good. Tasty. This will be good for shutting up those people that you don't like, you know, you're hating all that, them talking shit all the time. Just get this, give it to them. They won't be speaking for a good long time. And if you want it for a full-on day of silence, you can take 2 cucumbers, maybe 3. They won't be speaking to you again. So, after you do that, maybe you'll try some salty and bit. Maybe you want to add a little more. Don't go overboard, of course. So yeah, that's basically it. Got the nice salad, and it's good. Now, I'm in close relations with this guy named Scorpion498, and I'm gonna do a collab where he eats my food that I just made on his Terraria videos. You know, it's a sponsor, you know. You gotta get your way out there in the advertising business. It's cutthroat out here. So, he's gonna be eating the rest of that. And, you know, I don't got COVID, so it's fine if he eats that. And it's gonna be good. So yeah, that wraps it up. Have a delicious day.